Human beings are the only creatures that can use their imagination to create their own destiny in this planet. If you have any doubt in it, just look at our world right now. Every technology that we are using right now are created by some humans. When you study more about this, you will understand the marvelous power of your imagination. If you can use this power of your imagination, you can create anything in this world. You can live the life you wanted in this planet. But 97% of the world's population are ignorant, or they don't believe in this incredible power that can create miracles in this world. Do you know that what makes your imagination so powerful? It is nothing but your own subconscious mind. Your imagination is the road towards your subconscious mind. Whatever you are giving to your imagination, your subconscious will see it as real. So most of the people are using this amazing power destructively. They are using this to fear, worry, and doubt. That's 97% of the population are living like victims, and those 3% people are knowingly or unknowingly using this amazing power constructively. That's why those 3% of people are ruling the world. So in this video, you are going to learn how to use this amazing power constructively. First of all, you need to understand that your subconscious mind is working 24/7. So your imagination is nothing but the path to enter into your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind doesn't have the ability to understand what is real and what is imagined. So if you want to manifest a specific outcome, you need to hold that end result in your imagination. Don't doubt it. Don't think any negative thoughts. Just persist with the end result that you want to manifest in your life. When you do this, what is your subconscious mind seeing? Of course, your desired results are already manifested, right? As I said above, it doesn't have the ability to know what is real and what is imagined. So your subconscious mind will assume that your desired outcome that you are holding in your mind is real. So it will start to act upon the vision you are holding in your mind. When this happens, the universe will start to give you feedbacks. But don't stop here. You need to persist that end result in your imagination until it manifests in your 3D reality. Also remember, your 3D reality is the worst enemy while you try to manifest, so you must affirm this daily. My 3D reality is nothing but the reflection of my own imagination. When you do this consistently, your 3D reality's influence will slowly come down. And this is the secret code to alter your reality. But many people are misusing this ability to manifest negative things, but they don't know that the universe is operating on some specific laws. If anyone is trying to misuse this ability to manifest, maybe they lose the ability to visualize. That's why so many people cannot even visualize what they want. The ability of visualization is taken away from them by the universe. So use it wisely, use it constructively, use it to create your own heaven in this world. As we heard, with great power comes great responsibility. Okay, now let's see what Bob Proctor is saying about your imagination. According to Bob Proctor, imagination isn't something just kids play with until they get a little older. Imagination, Napoleon Hill said, it is the most marvelous, miraculous, inconceivably powerful force the world has ever known. You have one. It's one of your higher faculties. That was that sacred gift. Should we understand it? Should we exercise it and use it for the good that we want? I think we should. I want you to wander around your home or possibly your office and take a look at all of the conveniences that you have there that you didn't have. Let's say 2 years, 5 years, 10 years ago, 25 years ago. Do you know that every one of them without exception was first created in the mind of one individual with their imagination? Do you know you can use your imagination to go into the future and bring it into the present? That's what all highly successful people do. They see where they want to go, and then they act like the person they want to become. It was William James from Harvard's advice. He says it's the actor's technique. Act like the person you want to become. How do you do that? Well, you use your imagination. If you want to attract what you want, you've got to see yourself already with it. You've got to understand that you've already got it. Use your imagination. See yourself already in possession of the good you desire. That will flip your mind onto a specific frequency. It's on that frequency that good you desire is going to start coming toward you, and you will start moving toward it. You've got to see yourself now, already with it, and know it's only a period of time until you're moving toward it, and it moving toward you, and you become one with it. Okay, that's what Bob Proctor's saying about your imagination. Here I'm concluding this video. See you on next video. Thank you.